Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for the morning of Wednesday. We're November 1st. Can you believe it? Pretty soon I'll be saying we're in January. I know that's coming. November 1st, 2023, 8:10 a.m. Central Time. I'm thinking Australia today. I do a show there, and it's a certain time. It's in my brain right now. Okay. And by the way, I will be on today. I think Australia Central Time, it's about 4:30, 4:40. They're playing with the time right now. I'm normally at 4:30 a.m. All right, at 4:30 p.m. Central Time, which is the morning drive there. If you take a look at what is going on through here, interesting, because the market is very stable going into the FOMC. We just got the Fed refunding and how they're going to do it, and I'll show you. And how did that react with the market? Stable. So no surprise, which to me, very exciting, because that means the market has time to play around right here a bit. So I'm not seeing pressure there. Could we be entering, and you got to ask yourself this, the 5% number that we saw just happen in the 10 and some of the other instruments, have we gotten to a point where we start a range-bound trade instead of just keep ratcheting up higher interest rates? Think about it. That could be the case. You're getting a nice rally out of the energy markets today. I'm not seeing anything out of the Israel-Hamas conflict other than a bit of a positive today, something new, where Rafah, they did open up the border to a degree. Some aid trucks are coming through, and some severely hurt people, they're able to get through. So that's a big change that we are getting. All right, so now as I take a look at everything else through here, the gold market tried to decline, not doing it, sort of just sitting. So the roughly 1980, 2000 level seems to be where the market's trying to get its footing. In the dollar index, don't try to make something out of nothing. Let's see what the Fed says, what the commentary comes out to be, and go with that. Let's take a look at just what we've got to deal with today. And before I get too far on this, let me come over here. That's where I wanted to be. Okay, now I got it. So the mortgage market recap numbers, down 2.1%, 1.4, 3.5. Does that surprise you? You're trading near 8% mortgages. They're high. The ADP private sector job, this is a good number. This is 113,000. The last month number was a higher, and they were expecting 130. Could you call that softening? I don't know that you can. Get it under the 100,000 level, I'll get more interested. This is what got traders' attention this morning. We know that the market's going to be looking for 114 billion in new funding. They're doing it in 10 years. You can see this. They're going to increase it by $2 billion. 30-year auction increased by 1, and they're leaving the 20-year unchanged. So no undue pressure there. ISM's going to come with their October manufacturing sector number today, and that's going to come out at 9 o'clock. That's what they're saying right now there. S&P Global Group's going to release their final October manufacturing and service sector PMI numbers. That's at 8:45. I don't know, I got one. This one's ahead of the other one. Construction spending's coming out also this morning at 9. Look at all this data. At 9:30, we're going to get the EIA numbers, and then we finish off today at 1 o'clock with the FOMC statement, then the press conference. Do not forget that you have more data yet to come. You're going to be getting tomorrow Bank of England. We get the U.S. jobs report on Friday. You got your hands full. There's still plenty of data coming out, but we finish up now the trifecta, which is the U.S. Treasury, the FOMC, and the jobs reports. To me, those are all very important this week. Once they're out of the way, we start focusing back, where are we in these markets and what do we do? And that's why you want to get some of the products we have, such as our CME group courses, You want to get our futures trading kit, our charting software's in there, the different free courses that I offer, such as the pivot point, the Arun indicator, my M1, M2, M3 money market. That really gives you a guide as to what this all means when you keep hearing about money supply moving through it, the chart patterns. There's just so much in the report. Go to iraepstein.com under free offers, move your cursor up here. If you see an icon there, and you should, give it a click. It'll take you to the free offer section. Fill up your cart with things, and away you go. I'm Ira. I'll catch you at the end of the day with our market wrap-up. Now you'd sit in, buckle up, and let's see where the markets are going to take us. The rest of this trading day should be interesting. Take care.